Welcome to our channel where we simplify your online experience and guide you through logging into your Swagbucks account effortlessly. Welcome to our channel where we simplify your online experience and guide you through logging into your Swagbucks account effortlessly. The first step is to open your preferred web browser on your device. Whether you use Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or another popular browser, just make sure it's up to date for the best experience. Then type www.swagbucks.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the Swagbucks homepage loads, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click this button to go to the login page. On the login page, you will see two main fields, one for your email address or username and the other for your password. Carefully enter the email or username you used when creating your account. Then type in your password exactly as you set it, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters. If you want to stay logged in for your next visits, you can select the checkbox labeled Keep Me Signed In. This option helps you avoid entering your login details every time. After filling in your details, click the Sign In button below the fields. If your email and password are correct, you will be taken to your Swagbucks dashboard where you can start earning points and exploring offers. In case you forget your password, there is a handy Forgot Password link right below the password field. Clicking it will guide you through a simple process to reset your password using your registered email address. Remember to use secure and unique passwords to protect your account. Also, make sure you log out when you finish your session if you're using a public or shared computer to keep your account safe. That's all it takes to log in to your Swagbucks account quickly and safely. Following these straightforward steps will have you enjoying all the benefits Swagbucks offers in no time. Don't hesitate to revisit the login page anytime you want to check your rewards or participate in special promotions. We hope this guide makes your Swagbucks experience smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, getting started is always easier when you know exactly what to do.